Okay, fellow bee enthusiasts, we've got hive number 4. I've completely taken off the, had a little private session, didn't record it, but all I did was take off the feeder. That hive is like doing so great. So I'm actually just going to never feed them again, hopefully. They're making honey in the super. These two are completely full. I think they're doing great. Okay, today I'm suspecting that I will take off this feeder and never feed hive 1 again. So these two were completely full when I looked into it last video. Didn't look into it during that private session. I didn't record anything. But then they had already started putting some honey up here, so we'll see what happens. I plan to steal at least one frame from number 4 and at least one frame from number 1 to put inside my weak hive number, well, you can't see it, but number 2 over there. So that's the plan. I wanted to also show you guys something that I've been working on. Well, I worked on it a long time ago, and bees started to use it, and then I noticed mosquitoes in it, and this is a little solar pump that runs when there's sun, but so I have since read like what could be the issue. Why aren't the bees coming anymore? Well, I put a goldfish in there to get rid of the mosquitoes, and that worked great. But apparently the bees can smell the fish really well. So they're scared of the fish. I'm gonna get rid of this. It's a pretty cool system. I've got it on the drip line here, so it can stay full. I've got a hole in the side. I taped or glued this burlap to it so the bees can get in and out, and it's like wet but doesn't, you know, go down the side. So anyways, pretty cool feature, I thought. This is to help with the mosquitoes, but I've heard that you can put a dunk in here to kill the mosquitoes and it won't hurt the bees at all. So that's my plan. For hive number 2, I plan to put on a new brood chamber. So I'm actually going to try to get all my hives to double deeps before the winter. So here's my brood chamber that I've got ready to go. Like I said, I'm gonna at least take a frame from 1 and 4. I don't think 3 is strong enough to take it, but we'll see. Maybe it is, maybe it isn't. So yeah, let's see if we can get this little carpenter bee on camera. Ooh, oh, flew away. That's a big boy. Okay, I'm gonna suit up and we're gonna get going. So I see a ton of bees up here. Not many like where they're not supposed to be, but a ton just like in the top. Last time I checked on them, they were kind of really interested in going up. They were almost full, so that's the reason why I'm going to put a second brood chamber on here. I think they're finally ready. Plus I'm going to give them some resources from those stronger hives. Last time I made syrup, I put most of it in this hive because it's so weak and the others are so good. Yeah, I think that they're doing good for where they started. I mean, they started from almost nothing. But what I was gonna say about the putting so much syrup up there is that they did take it all, obviously. Okay, so let's just take a look, see at what we got. Okay, looks pretty good. Oh, I guess the I think the queen excluder must have squished some. Okay, so they still have the honey that I gave them. Let's see if I can take any of these out and see how they're doing. Watch out, girls. Okay, so this has always been the frame that they had nothing on. Whew. Scared me. Oh, I have a lot of scary stuff from that old hive I used to have. This looks great. Nothing's on it. Is the only thing. But there's just tons of bees. I think they're ready, so I'm gonna go ahead and give it to them. It's kind of I don't think it's a perfect day to do an inspection, so I'm gonna be kind of quick in and out. They're giving me signs that, and it's like supposed to rain later, but they're giving me signs that, hey, it's not our favorite day that you're in the hive. Okay, let's tighten that up a little bit. And go. Wow, girls. That's a big step. Yeah. Huge step. Okay. And I wonder, they're still making it out okay. I was gonna open up the entrance some, but I don't think we're restricting them too bad. So I'm just gonna put this back. Oh boy. Way too many bees up here for me to enjoy. They're like trying to build up here. Oh goodness. Cool. Okay. To see, a couple of bees hypothetically could come in the top, but I think I only saw like one bee up there when I opened it up, so. Wow, look at that. Double deep. Okay, I'm going to do the other hives now, and I'm going to collect a couple to swap out with this top one.